Good evening, students. I hope you all well at home by the God's grace. Today in our online video class, we are going to revise some of the question answer in chapter 2. Watch the video carefully till the end without any distractions and do the question answer given in rough work notebook. No one should write this in classwork notebook. Find the missing values in the following table for the circles with radius R, diameter D and circumference C. Now let us find the answer for the first subdivision. For the first subdivision, they are given radius R is equal to 15 centimeter. They are asking us to find the diameter and the circumference of the circle. So by the given question, radius is equal to 15 centimeter. At first we are going to find the diameter. We know that the diameter is equal to twice the value of the radius. By using the value of radius in this formula, we can find the value of the diameter. That is 2 into 15 centimeter, which is equal to 30 centimeter, which is the required diameter. Now let us find the circumference of the circle by using this formula 2 pi r units. Here the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 and the radius is equal to 15 centimeter. Using these values in this formula, we can find the circumference of the circle. That is 2 into 22 by 7 is the value of pi into 15, which is the value of r, centimeter. Dividing 15 by 7 is approximately 2.14. Therefore, 2 into 22 into dividing 15 by 7 is 2.14. By multiplying all these numbers, we get 94.28 centimeter, which is the required value of circumference. Question number 2. Diameters of different circles are given below. Find their circumference provided pi is equal to 22 by 7. Let us see the answer for the first subdivision. The given diameter D is equal to 70 centimeter and we know that the formula for finding the circumference is equal to pi into D units. Here the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. By using this value 22 by 7 for pi and 70 centimeter for D, we can get the value of circumference. By simplifying 70 by 7 we get 10 times. By multiplying 22 by 10 we get 220 centimeters. Now let us see the answer for the second subdivision. The given diameter is equal to 56 centimeter and the circumference is equal to pi into D units. We know that the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 and the value of D is given by 56 centimeter. By dividing 56 by 7 we get 8 times. By multiplying 22 by 8 we get 176 centimeter, which is the required circumference of the circle. Next, question number 3. Find the circumference of the circles whose radii are given below. Subdivision 1, 49 centimeter. By the subdivision 1, the given value of radius r is equal to 49 centimeter and the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 and The formula for finding the circumference is equal to 2 pi r units. Using these given values in this formula, we get 2 into 22 by 7 is the value of pi and 49 is the value of r. By simplifying 49 by 7, we get 7 times. Then we get 2 into 22 into 7. By multiplying all these values, we get 308 centimeter, which is the required value of circumference. Next, question number 4. The diameter of a circular wall is 4.2 meter. What is the circumference? Let us see the answer for this question. From the question, the given value of the diameter d is equal to 4.2 meter. We know that the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 and the formula for finding the circumference c is equal to pi into d units. Using these values in this formula, we get 22 by 7 is the value of pi and 4.2 meter is the value of d. By simplifying 4.2 by 7, we get 0.6. By multiplying 22 by 0.6, we get 13.2 meter. Question number 5. The diameter of the bullock cart wheel is 1.4 meter. Find the distance covered by it in 150 rotations. From the question, the given diameter d is equal to 1.4 meter. They are asking us to find the distance covered by it in 150 rotations. Here we should know one thing, that the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation is equal to circumference of the wheel in one rotation. We know that the formula for finding the circumference of the circle is equal to pi into d units. Here 22 by 7 is the value of pi and 1.4 meter is the value of d. By simplifying 1.4 by 7, we get 0.2 times, which is equal to 22 into 0.2 meter, which is equal to 4.4 meter. This value is the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation. To find the distance covered by the wheel in 150 rotation, we should multiply this value by 150. Therefore, the distance covered by the wheel in 150 rotations is equal to 4.4 meter into 150. By multiplying 4.4 into 150, we get 660.0 meter. It can be written as 660 meter, which is the required distance covered by the wheel in 150 rotations. Question number 7. A wire of length 1320 centimeter is made into a circular frames of radius 7 centimeter each. How many frames can be made? By the question, the total length of the wire is equal to 1320 centimeter. The radius of each circular frame is equal to 7 centimeter. For finding the number of frames can be made, we should find the circumference of the circular frame of radius 7 centimeter. We know that the formula for finding the circumference of the circular frame is 2 pi r units. 22 by 7 is the value of pi, we know that, and the given radius is 7 centimeter. Here we can cancel 7 by 7, we get 2 into 22 centimeter. which is equal to 44 centimeter. 44 centimeter is the length of the circumference of one circular frame. Therefore, the number of frames can be made is equal to total length of the wire divided by circumference of one frame. Which is equal to 1320 centimeter divided by 44 centimeter. By dividing 1320 by 44, we get 3 44s are 132. So 30 44s are 1320. Therefore, by dividing 1320 by 44, we get 30, which is the required number of frames that can be made with the length of 1320. Next, question number 8. A rose garden is in the form of circle of radius 63 meter. The gardener wants to fence it at the rate of rupees 150 per meter. Find the cost of fencing. By the question, the given radius of rose garden is equal to 63 meter, and we know that the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. And we know that the circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r units. For finding the cost of fencing, we should find the circumference of the circular garden by using this formula. By using the values of pi and r in this equation, we get 2 into 22 by 7 is the value of pi, and 63 meter is the value of radius of the circular garden. By simplifying 63 by 7, we get 9 times. Then we get 44 into 9. By multiplying 22 by 2, we get 44. With this 9, we should multiply. By multiplying 44 by 9, we get 4 9s are 36. Again 4 9s are 36. In total 396. Therefore, by multiplying 44 by 9, we get 396 meter, which is the total length of the circumference of the circular garden. Now we are going to find the cost of fencing for this 396 meter. For that, from the question, the given cost of fencing for 1 meter is equal to rupees 150. Therefore, the cost of fencing for 396 meter is equal to rupees 150 into 396, which is equal to rupees 59,400, which is the required cost of fencing for the circular rose garden of 396 meter. Students, this is the time for your assignment. Write the given question answer once in your upnote and send the images in your class group without fail. Do these answers as many times as you need and get ready for the exam. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care.